Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here in Naperville, Illinois on this beautiful river walk. It has a lot of unique features. Fidel here is the one who found it, and this is why we're here. So Fidel, tell them a little bit about the river walk.
Well, I just came across it last night actually because on Mondays I'm off of work and we like to go explore during these COVID times. And it's out in the air, okay? So they have kayaking, paddle boat, there's cool culture, abstract art, there's a giant tower behind us somewhere. You can go up there and look at the view. There's a lot of beautiful flowers, plants. There's like a lot of water features here. I don't know if you can swim, but if you pan that way, Kenny. This is where the water feature is. We don't really know what it's for. Maybe just to water all these plants around here, or maybe at one time you could kayak or go paddleboarding or whatnot. I'm not sure because we're very new to this Naperville Riverwalk, but if you pan on this side, you can see this beautiful creek full of life and flower, and it's so beautiful, the fresh air. And if you look up there, that's where we're heading to right now, this giant tower. We don't know what it is, we're just going to explore it anyways.
Hi guys, we came to the Riverwalk for the tower, right? Moose Tower. Moose Tower. And it's closed. Ugh. It says something about a tour and like tickets and stuff like that. But that's alright, because the rest of the park's still here, so yay! Okay, go. Guys, they offer paddle boats here. They offer canoeing, kayaking. This is the river.
It's 20 minutes for $10 per boat. That's a pretty good deal, I think.
Yeah, and $15 for 40 minutes, so that's not bad. They also have a Riverwalk cafe, which is pretty kind of cool. So yeah.
We came out on the humidest days of all, and this yellow makes me look like a banana.
Definitely, and it makes me feel like I'm wearing one of those corsets. You know, like, oh, it's hard to breathe. But that's okay. Safety first.
Here in Naperville at the Casey's. We're going to need to have more customers
Guys, we're in a tornado warning in Naperville. So yeah.
There's no power.
There's no power or anything in this store.
Should we stay in the...
Guys, real quick, I just wanted to say thank you again for watching my video. If you have not hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you can get a new video from me. It's been a real pleasure, Naperville. I had a lot of fun. Yeah, to be real though, the tornado warning came on and like sirens went off. and we had something called a Dureco that actually went from like Peru, LaSalle, all these small little towns all the way to Naperville, and it was insane. Like there was damage everywhere. But yeah, I'm just, thank you so much for watching my video again. If you guys want, check out my other videos. I love you. If nobody told you that they told that, let me try that again. Alright, I love you. If nobody told you that they love you today, I love you. And if nobody told you that you're beautiful today, you're beautiful. Don't forget it. You're the most amazing, adventurous person. And I'm so happy that you're watching this. Alright guys, you ain't gotta go, but I gotta go. My vegan tummy to your tummy. Bye!